Welcome back to Shell's Sugar Rush. So getting in the spirit of Christmas, today we're going to be making this beautiful Christmas fruit cake. So we'll need to start with a preheated 275-degree oven, 8 ounces each of red cherries, green cherries, assorted pineapples, some extra pineapples, as well as a mixed fruit with some lemon and orange peel. And you will need almond and vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, as well as a half teaspoon of salt mixed together. And of course I have a parchment-lined springform pan. You will need 4 large eggs. And for your syrup, I have a half a cup of light corn syrup and a half cup of maple syrup to make a complete cup of syrup. And a half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar combined to make 1 cup of sugar. And you will need 8 ounces of chopped walnuts, as well as 2 8-ounce packages of chopped pecans. And of course your mixed fruit, and mine has been soaking overnight in a flavored alcohol. So we're going to take our eggs and whisk those together till they're nice and smooth. And just keep whisking till you have them good and incorporated and smooth. And then we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to combine our sugar and whisk that together till our sugar is nice and dissolved, or until we get a ball of sugar in our whisk like I did. You'll want to break that up real good. So just keep whisking until it's dissolved. And if you need to, just kind of tap it on the side to get it out of there. But as long as you keep whisking, it's going to dissolve itself. There we go. We'll just break it up a bit. And just whisk until you have it fully incorporated. There we go, a little more whisking. Okay, now we're going to add in our syrup. And you want to make sure you get it all in there, all that sweet goodness. We don't want to waste any of that. And just whisk it together, again, until it's nicely incorporated. There we go. That's how you want it. And then we're going to put in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and our half teaspoon of almond extract. And we're just going to give those a quick whisk till it's all incorporated, and then we'll set that aside. And we're going to just mix up our dry ingredients to make sure they're good and incorporated. And then we're going to take our fruit and we're going to sprinkle our dry ingredients over our fruit. There we go. And then we're just going to fold this together until we get a nice coating on all of our fruit pieces. And make sure you get it all off the bottom. Scrape your bowl, get it all together. And then we're going to add in our wet ingredients. And again, we're going to fold that together until we have a nice smooth mixture. So just keep folding until you feel like it's all combined very well. There you go. Smooth, nice batter. Now we're going to add in our chopped walnuts as well as our chopped pecans. And again, we'll fold these together to complete our batter. So just keep folding until everything is nice and together. Okay. Now it's ready for our pan. So we're going to add some into our springform pan. And you're going to need to fill this about 2/3 of the way full, okay? And you're going to want to spread it out because this is not like your average cake batter that's just going to spread itself. So just take your spatula and run it around. You can add some more if you need to. And of course, you'll want to spread that out. Again, spread it out evenly. There we go. Nice and even and ready for our oven. And we're going to put it in the oven for 1.5 hours. Okay, so with the extra, I made a loaf pan, and you can see here is our springform pan with our fruit cake. Beautiful colors, beautiful golden brown, and it smells wonderful. A wonderful addition to any holiday table. Thank you for watching the video today. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. And of course, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. And Have a wonderful holiday season.